Nissan Serena C27 install Redbat double padlock, a plug and play. So press it, pull it, first lock. Okay, the second lock here, you have to press in. This is the second lock. So key, if you want to unlock, now it cannot. You have to unlock the inside one first, second. Okay, you cannot pull. You have to press the orange color button, pull it. Okay, first lock. Okay, press inside, second lock. So start. Cannot press the brake, so you cannot start the car. Okay, you cannot start the car. You have to unlock the inside one, then unlock the second one. Okay, then you can press brake and start the car. Redbat double padlock. Okay, for Nissan Serena C27, installed by one piece. Thank you.